Last night, I talked to nature. With great despondence, I asked her, "Ma'am, excuse me for my antics, but love and hatred, which do you prefer? Violence and politics, tell me why they go hand in hand. Do something, please, since your presence is so grand." She calmly responded, "You talk with such affirmation and dignity, but do you live up to this contemplation? Hatred and love are not the problems here, but some things are beyond fixation. I understand that it's a lot to bear, but I've watched you in animation. Some things just simply come along. Just hold your values and just stay strong." While I plead for lasting change, my demanding voice goes all mute. My body trembles, surging shame. I realize that my hands are stained. Chances are that yours are too. Peace and unity are not easily obtained, and there's always more that we can do. I just want to search for comfort. Nature, when will you distract me from all the disasters? I've gone so far that I don't recognize myself. If I'm immersed in all the shades, can you present me with all the colors too? You may not know right where you're going, but remember, life isn't yours to resent. All of the feelings you're not showing, it is simply the truth of the present. Don't look at night and instinctively say it's time for you to slumber. You'll soon appreciate the glimmering stars at night that form the infinite constellations. You'll soon appreciate the gradual waning of the moon. Daylight is nothing without the darkness of night.